welcome back to our channel for another installation day. So today we have another Land Rover Defender. It's in for exhaust upgrade. So this car actually belongs to one of our clients that we previously did exhaust upgrade on his G82 M4 competition with our Akrapovic exhaust system. And just recently he bought this beautiful Defender and he came over to us and asking, hey, what exhaust system that you recommend for the Defender? What is the best exhaust system available for the Defender? And of course, we highly recommend to go with our Quicksilver sound architect system for the Defender. This is our best-selling system for the Defender. It is available for the 2-litre, 3-litre, V8 and even the diesel version. So right now the mechanic is currently working on the car and we have the factory exhaust removed out from the Defender. And now let's talk a little bit more about this factory system and the Quicksilver system that we are putting into the car later. So first of all, on the factory system, as you can see, it has a very huge and heavy rear muffler box. So there's a lot of sound restrictions in the muffler, and down to the middle part, you have this very long and huge center resonator that further kills off more sound on the Defender. As well as, if you notice on the factory system, you don't actually have any tailpipes at all. So basically these are the tailpipes on the factory exhaust. And now moving to the Quicksilver system. So on the Quicksilver system, on the middle part, they remove the center resonator to give the car more sound. And to the rear, of course, this Quicksilver sound architect system, it has a way smaller muffler box compared to the original system, as you can see. As well as for all the Quicksilver system, we have these electric valve actuators on both left and right side. The valves are controlled by the Quicksilver sound architect mobile application, so that the owner can have full control over the valve function. You can have the valves fully closed or fully open anytime, anywhere with your mobile phone. And lastly, on the Quicksilver system, you get this beautifully handcrafted carbon fiber tailpipes. So this is a quad tips layout. It definitely looks way better compared to the original system, which does not have any tailpipes. And with this carbon fiber tailpipes, it will totally change the looks on the Defender. It will look extremely beautiful once we have this fitted onto the car. So now the mechanic is currently working on the car, and later once we have the Quicksilver system installed, of course we will do a sound check on how this Quicksilver system performs compared to the factory system. And definitely this will be way more sporty, a lot more aggressive compared to the factory system, which basically doesn't have any sound at all. The car is complete quiet. So now let's get back to work and get the Quicksilver system installed onto the car. So now this is how the Defender looks like without the full urban conversion, and the car will be sent over by the guys at Urban Malaysia to complete the installation of all the urban parts on the Defender. And once they have done the installation, the car will be sent back to our facility. Then we will show you how it looks like with the full urban conversion, and also talk a little bit more about what are the urban parts that has been installed on the Defender later. We are excited to see how much the urban kit will transform the Defender into a brand new look. So now let's wait for all the parts to be installed, then we shall show you how does it look. Our client's Defender has almost every single item on the Urban catalog installed. So right over here we have the white fender arches, then on the front we have the front canards, then on the hood we have these hood top vents, and also right over here we have the side vents. Then if you notice, all the emblem and the logos are painted in this very beautiful copper bronze color. Then to the side you have this urban side step as well as the roof light. Where over here, these are the carbon fiber 6 linear light bar. Then also for the wheels, the owner has changed to this original Urban WX version 2 22-inch wheels painted in satin black color. Then to the rear, we have our Quicksilver exhaust. Then on top, you also have this urban spoiler, and also for the spare wheel, instead of having the wheel cover covered, the owner left it exposed so that you can see on the rear you have this WX version 2 urban wheels at the rear. So basically these are all the urban parts that has been installed on the car, and it looks really beautiful when you have this complete urban kit installed on any of the Defender. And we've completed yet another Defender project. So now our client's Defender is equipped with our Quicksilver exhaust system. It sounds absolutely amazing, and also the car itself looks really beautiful with this Urban Widetrak Kit. So let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about the Quicksilver exhaust system? How does it sound on the 2-liter Land Rover Defender, and also how does this urban kit looks like on the car with the whole blackout look and also all the emblems with this copper bronze finishing. So if you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.